I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. Adding a debit card to your LBank account is straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Log into your LBank account. Open the LBank app or website and enter your login credentials. Make sure you have access to the email or phone number linked to your account for verification. Step 2. Navigate to the payment settings. Once logged in, go to your account settings. Look for the payment or wallet section where you can manage your payment methods. Step 3. Select Add Debit Card. In the payment settings, find and click on the option that says Add Debit Card. This will open a form for you to enter your card details. Step 4. Enter your card information. Fill in the required fields, including your card number, expiration date, and CVV. Double check your details to avoid errors. A common mistake is entering the wrong CVV, which can lead to a failed transaction. Step 5. Confirm and save. After entering your card details, review everything and click on Confirm or Save. You may receive a verification code via email or SMS to finalize the addition. Now you are all set. Your debit card should be added to your LBank account, making transactions easier. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support. Happy trading!